Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Ford Fusion trunk latch, easy method. Begin by gathering tools and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid surprises. Next, clear debris around the latch and check for obvious damage to the striker or latch body. Keep a flashlight handy and take photos before removing parts to aid reassembly. Stay patient and work methodically for a smooth, reliable repair experience. Start by testing the trunk release from the cabin and key fob so you know if the issue is mechanical or electrical. Visually inspect the latch for rusted components, broken springs, or a misaligned striker bolt that can prevent engagement. Operate the latch manually to feel for binding or rough movement, and note any strange noises which clue you into worn internal parts or lubrication needs. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support future guides. It really helps. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It seals, fits cup holders, and keeps water cold during long repairs. I use it while tinkering in the garage, and it saves trips indoors. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin repairs by cleaning the latch and striker with a degreaser, removing grime that blocks movement, then dry and lubricate with a silicone spray. If alignment is off, loosen the striker bolts, adjust slowly, and tighten while testing closure until it seals smoothly. For visibly damaged springs or internal latch failure, replace the latch assembly using OEM or quality aftermarket parts for reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.